Hello everybody, this is Ben Marshall from Radio Parts, and we're here today to have a quick look at the T3 Innovations all-in-one RJ45 termination pod. It's a pretty long-winded name, so let's call it the K0901. Makes it a bit easier to say. So this kit comes fully sealed and contained. It comes with a whole heap of these little pods inside and a few tools. So let's open it up and have a bit of a look. So 2 double clip handles. Double clip clips, as it were. Let's look inside. So, the whole point of this package is to terminate and to punch down Cat5e and Cat6 data cables. So, to that end, we've got some plugs and some boots to go on the plugs and some tools. So, boots-wise, let's have a look in this one first. So all of these little units here have got a belt clip on them, so you can just tuck them onto your belt and then you spring it open, in theory with one hand, if it's pressed up against you like this. There we go. And there you go, got a whole heap of little RJ45 boots. Clip that back down and then you keep on working. In the same vein, we have Cat5 plugs. Seen most Cat5 plugs before. Keep in mind that this is T3. This is the company that's responsible for the snap plugs. These aren't snap plugs or easy plugs. They don't have the cut. They don't have the cut on the cable. They just have the push and push up to the end type of version. These are our Cat6s. They come with cable cones. And then let's move on to the tools. So, most common one you'd recognise is RJ45 crimper. So you've got a cutting blade in there, you've got a stripper in it as well, and then up the end of the handle here we've got 6P, 6C and an 8P crimp tool. So pretty simple to work with. Terminate your cable, push it into the connection at the end here, crimp it down, bang, she's done. It's got a little ratcheting system on it that locks it in place when it's not being used. Nice little device. In here we have a cutter and stripper. So you can see the jaws at this end are adjustable on the blade. So you can run it for UTP or STP cabling. Through here we've got obviously a stripping connection and we've got a full cut connection as well. Underneath we've also got this beastie, which is a ring stripper. So cable through here onto this and then flip it around. Very simple, quite effective. And the last one of these is the punch down tool. So punch down tool, you've got adjustments for the impact, and given that the kit wouldn't fit in otherwise, the blade is hiding up the backside of the tool itself. It's a pretty basic tool, so it will do the job for most domestic jobs and for most light installations. So overall, a nice kit for the installer on the go. Flip it down, lock it up, refill the pods, and when you go out onto site, just take out some boots, some Cat6s if you're using Cat6s, and a couple of the tools depending on what you're trying to do. Useful little kit. Thanks for watching, and this was the K0901, the all-in-one RJ45 termination pod kit from T3 Innovations. Thanks for listening.